professional list builder in the making. And they say it's the things you don't do that you'll regret. Come at me, Detention. Young Lucas learns that freedom doesn't come free. Personal grooming is important. Are there drugs in the cafeteria food? If the shoe fits. Pub picture gazing is so worth it. No good deed goes unpunished. Not such a bright idea after all. Dream big, Casey. Discrimination against non-believers shall not be tolerated.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.